Ayun, and makuwento ko nga lang pala mga chong. So previously, dun sa other vlogs natin, nag-upload tayo ng video about yung interview. So wala, ni-record ko lang para for memories. So ano nga ba naging result natin dun sa interview na yon? So the good thing is after that first interview, that was the first interview, nasalang din tayo sa second interview. So we had a second interview, I think, last Tuesday at 4 p.m. And the day after, um, naka-receive tayo ng contact na magkakaroon tayo ng third interview. So I think that's a good thing. May third interview tayo. Apparently, normally daw hanggang second interview lang sila and then they make a decision. Pero this time, I think sabi ng recruiter medyo nakukulangan pa sa akin. So, may mga sagot at definitely daw, they know na I have the experience. I have what it takes to take the role. Kaya lang nakukulangan ata sa mga sagot ko. So medyo mas mga brief daw yung mga sagot ko. So gusto sigurong i-assess ako further. So next week, next Friday, I'll be having a third interview. Pero actually guys, honestly, I'm not very keen on moving. Siyempre, depende rin if the price is right. Actually, hindi naman ganon ka ganda yung possible na maging offer. Pero let's see kung maging successful tayo. And yung kung baka ma-negotiate natin yung offer if ever. Kaya lang, actually guys, so ba't ako nagpa-interview kung hindi naman ako keen lumipat? Actually, isa rin yan sa mga tip ko sa mga, I think applicable to sa ibang kahit sa nasaang industry ka. From time to time, take the opportunity to get interviewed kahit hindi kayo IT or ano. Kasi para sa akin, pag na-interview ka, there's benefits pag na-interview ka. Like, nagkakaroon ka ng experience na ma-interview ulit. So parang it's sort of a practice na rin. Second is, you gain confidence. Third, nagkakaroon ka ng, nalalaman mo yung market value mo. Okay? And yun, and dahil doon, from time to time, naging nakaugalian ko na yan na from time to time, nagpapa-interview ako. Not that I'm actively looking, but it's just for the heck of experience. And para malaman ko yung market value for my skills. And anyway, nothing to lose naman. And most of these interviews are done right now remotely. Gone are the days na you have to go to the client site itself. So lalo na kung the interview will happen at the comfort of your home, and why not? Nothing to lose. So yun, I'm not very keen if ever maging positive result man, kasi right now I'm working full-time at home, and yung offer na yon will be 2 days work from office. So that's a big adjustment on my end if ever that I'll be considered for the position. And never pa tayong nag-work from office dito sa Perth. So that will be a big adjustment. Although on hindsight, actually, I think may mga benefits din. May mga benefits din. Magkakaroon din ng benefit kung makapag-work from office ako at least 2 days a week. It will be a big adjustment, pero Siyempre magkakaroon tayo ng connections, masasanay tayo how to interact with colleagues. So it will be a new experience, new adventure if ever man makonsider tayo. But let's see, wala pa naman. There will be a third interview on Friday, and let's see how it goes. Yun lang.